Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're tired of paying for cable and want free access to your favorite local channels, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best indoor digital TV antennas, carefully selected for their signal range, picture quality, ease of setup, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Magnetic Installation Indoor TV Antenna. The Magnetic Installation Indoor TV Antenna is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting high-quality entertainment without expensive monthly bills. It supports crystal clear 4K and 1080p HDTV, giving you access to free local channels in stunning clarity. Built with flame-retardant, eco-friendly materials, this antenna provides both moisture and lightning protection, ensuring long-lasting performance and safety. Its omnidirectional magnetic base allows flexible placement on a table, TV stand, or any flat metal surface for the best signal reception. Despite its compact size, the antenna packs serious performance. It features a smart IC chip and crystal clear filter technology that boosts signal reception up to 150 miles, depending on your location. Setup is simple. Just connect, place it where the signal's strongest, and rescan for channels.
Number 2. Digital Antenna with Amplifier. The digital antenna with amplifier is designed to bring you hundreds of HD channels for free. No satellite, no subscription, and no monthly costs. It's equipped with an upgraded smart IC chip and signal amplifier, which work together to extend range and eliminate interference for a clean, uninterrupted picture. Supporting resolutions from 720p to 8K, it ensures top-tier image quality across all your favorite networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, and Fox. Installation takes only minutes. Connect the antenna to your TV's cable/and port, position it near a window, and run a quick channel scan. The 16.5-foot copper cable offers flexibility in placement, and the magnetic base provides stability on metal surfaces. Its minimalist design fits easily into any home setting, complementing both modern and traditional interiors.
Number 3. Upgraded Indoor TV Antenna. The upgraded indoor TV antenna is an absolute powerhouse for cord cutters who want maximum range and clarity. With an astounding 2,800-plus mile range, it captures distant broadcast signals with ease, delivering HD and 4K quality from all major networks, including NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS. Thanks to advanced signal amplification technology, it ensures stable performance with minimal noise, even in challenging reception areas. Its 360-degree omnidirectional design means it can pick up channels from every direction. No need to constantly adjust the antenna's angle. Setup is effortless. Connect the cable, position the antenna on a wall, window, or table, and scan for channels. Its sleek black finish looks modern and discreet, blending naturally into any room.
Number 4. G Outdoor/Indoor HDTV Antenna. The G Outdoor/Indoor HDTV antenna is a top pick for viewers who want premium reception and flexibility. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals in 1080p and 4K Ultra HD. With a 70-mile range, it captures strong VHF and UHF signals for superior channel variety and consistency. What sets this model apart is its universal compatibility. It works with all TV brands and converter boxes, making it easy to integrate into any setup. Everything you need for installation comes in the box, including mounting hardware so you can quickly install it in the attic, roof, or indoors based on your preference. It's also next-gen TV, ATSC 3.0 compatible, allowing you to enjoy enhanced picture, sound, and interactive features when available in your area. Built from durable materials, it holds up well against various weather conditions, ensuring reliable, long-term performance. Number 5. Indoor digital antenna with boost amplifier. Rounding out the list, the indoor digital antenna with boost amplifier offers exceptional versatility and power in a sleek, compact design. Equipped with an upgraded smart IC chip and signal booster, it supports up to a 1,000-mile range, ensuring clear channel reception even in remote areas. Its 360-degree omnidirectional system captures signals from all directions, minimizing dead zones and keeping the picture clear even in bad weather. The antenna also features dual mode operation. Switch between long-range and short-range modes depending on your proximity to broadcast towers for the best performance. With support for major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and PBS, it delivers crisp 4K HD content without lag or dropouts. The included 16.5-foot high-quality cable allows flexible placement near windows or elevated spots for optimal reception. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best indoor digital TV antennas. Each of these models brings something unique, whether it's the compact power of the magnetic installation antenna, the versatility of the GE outdoor-indoor model, or the incredible range of the upgraded antenna. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and home entertainment gear recommendations. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.